In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a great business card in Canva. We'll start in your web browser. Go to Canva and sign in to your account so your work saves and you can access your uploads and brand assets. Once you're in, click Create or Create a Design, then choose Business Card. Canva will open a canvas at the standard business card size, so you're set on dimensions from the start. If you see multiple options, simply pick business card from the suggestions to proceed. Let's customize the background. Click anywhere on the background, then use the color button at the top to open the color panel. Scroll through to find a color that fits your brand. Aim for strong contrast between your background and text, so names and details are easy to read, and consider using your existing brand colors if you have them. Add your text by clicking text on the left panel and choosing Add a text box. Type the name you want to appear on the card. Use the duplicate icon to quickly copy that text box for your job title or other lines, then edit the wording. Click and drag to reposition each text box, and use the corner handles to resize. Canva's alignment guides will help you keep everything neat and balanced. Now add your logo. Click Uploads, then Upload Files, and select your logo from your device. Wait for it to finish uploading, then click the image to drop it onto the card. Resize and move it to a clear, prominent spot. A transparent PNG works best so it blends with the background. Add your company name near the bottom if it fits your layout, keeping a clear hierarchy. Name, title, brand, and then contact details. For contact icons, go to Elements and search for simple icons like email, phone, or location. Click the ones you like to add them to the canvas. Resize and position them. Then repeat the process to add additional icons for each contact method. Place your actual contact information beside each icon using text boxes, keeping spacing consistent. If you want a backside, click Add Page. Choose a background color for the back, upload or reuse your logo, and type your company or business name. To refine typography, select any text, pick a font style from the drop-down, adjust the size with the plus or minus controls, and change the text color using the color button. Keep readability in mind and limit yourself to 1 or 2 fonts. Give everything a final pass for alignment, spacing, and contrast, and your business card design is complete and ready for next steps.